Hi friends, welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows Update error 0x800f080 in Windows 10 and 11. Go to Start. And then click on Settings. Now click on System Settings from the left panel. At the right side, scroll down. And then click on Troubleshoot option. Click on Other Troubleshooter. Now you have to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Here the Windows Troubleshooter will try to find any problem with your Windows Update. If you find any Windows Update related issue, then you have to rectify it. Otherwise, click on Close button. To start the system file Chaecker tool, go to Start and type CMD in the search bar. Now select the command prompt at the top of the result. Right-click on the command prompt and then click on Run as administrator. Type sfc/scannow on the command prompt. And then press Enter. Don't close this command prompt window until the verification is 100% completed. In order to restore the Windows image, type the following commands:
dism/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth.
Now again press Enter. This command is given in the description box of this video. Remember, this process may take anywhere from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Be patient. In order to check if it fixes the issue, restart your computer.
Please subscribe this channel, like and share this video.